Hello everyone and esteemed scientists. I am Yahvi Chiranjeev Guha from class 8B, Shri Ravishankar Vidya Mandir, Mumbai. Today I am going to show you an innovative principle of a gyroscopic monorail train that was first designed by Sir Louis Brennan in the early 20th century. The Brennan monorail used a principle of gyroscopic precession to maintain balance on a single rail. The spinning gyroscope inside the train would automatically correct any tilting motion, keeping the train upright. If I try to balance my train on the ground without the gyroscope turned on, it does not balance as it is a single wheel structure. So now let me turn the gyroscope on. Now if I try to place my model on the ground, it balances without tipping over. But how? So what you can see in front of me is a spinning gyroscope. The basic principle of a gyroscope is that it consists of a spinning wheel or rotor that can freely move in one or more of its axes. When the rotor spins rapidly, it exhibits a behavior known as gyroscopic stability. This means that the gyroscope tends to maintain its orientation even when it's subjected to external forces. This stability is due to the conservation of angular momentum, which means that the angular momentum of a body remains constant if no external torque acts on it. When external forces try to change the orientation of the rotor, the gyroscope responds by moving in a direction perpendicular to both the direction of the applied force and the axis of the spin. Thus, the principle you can see in my model is gyroscopic precession, which allows the gyroscope to resist change, thus providing stability to my train. This was my first model. Initially, the gyroscope could not balance due to the big wheels and the load. So, I decided to reduce the size of the wheels and additionally fix some wiring issues. But even with those, my model used to tip over and cover only small distances. When my model started working, I felt so happy. It was like a eureka moment to me to know that my model is working. Sir Louis Brennan was an inventor who thought outside the box. His gyroscopic monorail train, designed to balance on a single rail using gyroscope, was a groundbreaking idea in transportation. While it never reached beyond the prototype stage, it still showed the power of innovative thinking. I am exploring this project to honor Brennan's creativity and vision and to appreciate the impact of its work on modern engineering in the gyroscopic technology on transportation. Thank you.